Describe a person you follow on social media. Who he or she is. How do you know the person? What the person posts on social media, and explain why you follow this person. Social media has taken the world by storm. It has become an inseparable part of people's personal as well as professional lives. Millions of people make a living by creating content on the social media these days. I follow one such person known as Sergi Urban, who runs a blog called The Dad Lab on Facebook. He is located in the UK and shares videos and photos of scientific experiments that can be done with household materials. Every fortnight, he shares a post in which he methodically shows how educational toys can be made using cardboard boxes and tapes. I landed on his page first time about 4 years ago when I was searching for simple scientific experiments to do along with my 10-year-old niece. I would have surfed through numerous pages on Facebook, but no other blog impressed me so much as the Dad Lab. In the first video that I saw, Sergi was conducting an experiment with a bottle, baking soda, vinegar, and a balloon, while his two young children were watching. When the soda and vinegar mixed, the balloon blew up, and both the boys were awestruck. Their expressions were priceless. I did the same experiment along with my niece, and she was equally astonished. Ever since that day, I have been watching his videos on a regular basis. More than the scientific concepts, I love the adorable children and their reactions to the experiments. A few other reasons for following him are his posts are never cluttered with unnecessary or trivial information. Secondly, they don't have irritating advertisements. And lastly, instead of explaining the instructions orally, he lets his work do the talking with lively background music. This gentleman is having the time of his life by doing what he loves the most, along with two little individuals who he loves the most. After doing some research on him, I found that he is neither a teacher nor a scientist, but his goal is simple: to invoke in children a love for science from a young age. In less than 6 years of his first post, he has garnered over 3.7 million followers on Facebook, which I believe is an incredible feat. Now let's look at some lexical resources. To make a living, take up by a storm, awestruck or astonished, adorable, clutter, trivial, have the time of life, invoke, garner, incredible, and feat. Thank you for watching this video. For more IELTS related videos, please subscribe to the Revise Academy YouTube channel.